Well, good morning everybody. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We meet again on the air cargo session. Now is the session 5 and maybe session 6. Today we will talk about the cargo flow. So the cargo flow, the business cargo flow on the air, special on the handling facilities, is divided into two big flow. Is outcoming, yeah, or ongoing, and incoming. So export and import. So I will show you the facilities, the simple facilities of the warehouse. Take closer of this picture. You can see every area, even either export and import, divided into 3 quadrants. 1, 2, 3 for export and import 1, 2, 3. So how about the export flow? The first activity or first process, we call it acceptance. This is the acceptance area or process where the cargo received from the shipper go here. In the acceptance process there are many sub process such as weighing, measuring, x-ray, physical check, and document acceptance on the first acceptance area. And the second is the storage area. Storage area where the cargo is kept on the storage based on the special, if there is special cargo, of course there is special storage, like live animal we will put on the cage, special cage and special live animal room, valuable on the strong room, perishable in the cold room, etc. This is the storage area. For the third is we call preparation area, or we call build up area, where the cargo is built on the ULD, on the container, on the pallet. So on the third area, this cargo is prepared and the cargo is manifested. After that, after the ready, the reweighing process here, the container, the ULD is reweighing first, and then after that dispatched to the airside, ready to load to the aircraft for outgoing or export process. So this is for the export. How about the import? Of course the import will be contrary flow. Incoming, we call it incoming flow. There is incoming aircraft or flight come, and then unloading process here. After unloading process, the cargo towed to the warehouse. The first area at the back of the building, this is, we call it, the first is the same with export. Import also have acceptance area, also document acceptance here. So cargo is dismantling here, then after dismantling, the second process or second area is storage area, where the cargo is kept temporarily for clearance. And after that, the third one is delivery area. Delivery area is this custom process here. There is a custom process after shipment ready, after clearance, then ready for delivery. And this is the freight forwarder ready, or the operator for the truck ready, and ship to the consignee, Remember, this is export shipper, and for the import is go to the consignee. Export, just remember they flow, they fly, yeah, the cargo fly like Superman, and then for the import, the cargo come to the Batman home. So this is the third process in each area, either export and import. Of course, there are sub process inside each area: acceptance, storage, and delivery. We will talk further about it. So I will talk about it on the further explanation. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we continue the lesson with the explanation about the handling system. So here I will show you the handling system of export as I explained on the whiteboard. So the export handling system or export flow consists of three processes. The first is acceptance process area, and the second storage process area, the third is build up process area. The acceptance process when the export on the cargo reception, and then the second one they put on the storage on the rack. Yeah, there is automatic rack store on some warehouse use already automatical rack store, and then after ready the schedule, then go to the import control and flight allocation. Go to the assembly area. This is a build up area actually, where the container ULD ready over here to be prepared. The cargo is loaded into container or pallet, and then after that they carry dispatch to the aircraft. This is the last area is build up process area. Is the key learning point is depending on the type of aircraft operated by the airline and the time needed by the prepare the loading and flight documentation, cut off time is based on different. Yeah, different airline has every airline has their own cut off time. So the latest time that a shipment might be tendered to a particular flight, that is, we call it cut off time. Yeah, so they may vary from airport to airport and even within an airport. And there may also different cut off time for the same flight subject to the type of the shipment that is being tendered. And of course, on the acceptance process, there is a cooling period where shipment must remain in the airport cargo terminal for designated time prior to loading on the aircraft may also be required for security reason. So this is about export. How about import? About import, the process is on figure 6.3.2. This is on the ITA training system module. I give you on the acceptance process area, where the cargo just arrived in import reception, manifest check here. Then after that, they go for the this is the first area. Go to the second area, storage process area. Go to automatic rack store, and special cargo go to the special cargo. And the last time after ready for clearance, go for delivery. This is custom clearance and reception here, and the consignee ask the agent to pick up the cargo. This is, we call it import dispatch. So the learning point for import is easy, because in import station there is an interline also transshipment system. So airline act as agent for each other, yeah, to carry consignment over sector that contracting airline does not operate. So this is the flow that I would like to share with you. So I will come for the closing later on. So hi, you have learned the two main process two main sections, export and import flow. So a summary, in each section there are 3 processes. So actually you can find also the material or the lesson material on this book in book Manajemen Dasar Penanganan Kargo. This is file from C to or from to sea via land also. So in this book also contain the flow of the export and import. So I hope this is useful for you to learn about the flow. So I'll see you on the next session. Thank you.